Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be back here with another Arch and Olive unboxing. I am subscribed to their quarterly sub box and this is the fall one. This one, I wasn't sure at first. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm not gonna get the next sub. I'm gonna skip it. I'm still using my notebook I have. And then I saw the preview for what this theme was, Dark Academia, and I was like, okay, I'm all here for it. So stay tuned, let's watch the unboxing. One of the cool things I love about the Arch and Olive sub boxes is that they have a shipping box outside the actual box so that you get to see the beautiful box without any shipping labels. And this season's theme for this quarter is Dark Academia. And so it has a little like poem here on the front here, and I'm just gonna open this up and we can see what's inside. I'm going to take all the stuff out and we can look at it all together. One of the first things you get when you open up the box is the theme postcard. And this one is so pretty, it matches the box. It's Academia, Dark, and Decadent. It's a really cool name. I just love the whole coziness vibe of this, the argyle, the shades of purple and the deep, hues. It's just calls to me. And on the back of the postcard, it shows you everything you have inside the box, including a coupon code to purchase this quarter for more stuff on their site. Okay, one of the first things I'm going to open is this thing. It's so, the packaging is just so pretty. Everything kind of goes together. And this is Collage Paper, 48 sheets. So my daughter and I have been really getting into journaling, so this is really cool. And it's basically a booklet of a bunch of scrapbook paper. I think they repeat, but music, sheet music, this purplish color, old books, this great hallway, plants. It's just, the script. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I look forward to, it just repeats on here. And I like that the backside is just white. It's just clear because sometimes I can never decide when things are double-sided, which I don't want to waste like another paper. So I don't have to worry about that here. So this is really, really cute and really handy. I'm looking forward to using this more. Next up, we have this little envelope. And these are, it says here, metal tabs. So these are metal tabs. These are nice. I love this like dark green, kind of like a forest green color, but it's metallic. And it has a little like symbols here, the key, candle, argyle pattern, pawn, chess piece, and a flower. It's really cute. So these are the metal tabs. Next up is the sticker sheet. I mean, look how like everything matches so well together. I just love that. Must have been so fun to design. Oh, these stickers are pretty. So you get 2 sheets of the same, and this is just white matte paper. Really nice. And there's a gold foil to it too, if you can see in the light. And I love the books and chess theme and fireplace theme. It's time to get cozy for fall. So let me put these together. Okay, next up we have this box, and it's a letter opener, which can't wait to see what this looks like. Oh, wow. It's like a key. Let's open this up. I always have like letters I can never open up well, and it ends up like ruining my fingers, or I get a paper cut. This is really nice. And this is also really decorative too. I love the antique brass look. It's pretty heavy too. Pretty weighty. So that's what it looks like. And you just undo that. Oh, it's really easy, and you can just open up your letters. I love that. So that's that. Let me put this here. And then we have the Arch and Olive gel pens. Let me just open this up. Let me get this open for a second. Pens open. And oh wow, these are nice. These are really colorful. I like these colors. I don't think they don't typically make gel pens, right? Arch and Olive, but I am looking forward to using these. I'm gonna do some sample test swatches, but these colors are really pretty. They are definitely in my color palette. I'm feeling that this vibe for fall, and this is one of my favorite colors, this kind of teal blue. Okay, these pens write really well. I like how they flow really easily. There's no scratchiness to it at all. I think they're 0.5, but this is the order that I've kind of just made up the colors. I didn't see any names listed for the colors. Let me look on the postcard. No, they don't name the colors, but that's kind of what I think the colors look like. So they are really nice to write with. They actually flow really nice. I like these. I'm really glad I have these now because I really want to, in my planner, write more in color. And these are the perfect colors. So they're not too bright. And they're nice, perfect for fall. So these are really good. I'm going to put this aside. And then, let's look at the washi. The washi tape comes in this little box, and they usually have this little preview thing, but this is just all closed in here. And it matches the postcard and the theme and everything. This floral is so beautiful. Chess pieces are here in this dark forest green. I feel like this is one of the colors of the season, this dark forest green. I've been seeing it everywhere on planner companies. This argyle pattern and the books. Oh, I love these. So these are really cute. Okay, and now on to the notebooks. So excited to see these. I haven't opened this one. Let's see what this looks like. This is A5. Oh, wow. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. You guys know how I love my florals. This is so beautiful. It's like an old vintage style book with the gold foiling on the edges. I love that. And there's gold foiling here on the inside too. And this is just a dot grid journal here. Oh my God, I love this. I love this so much. This is so pretty. I just love how they package everything in these beautiful boxes. I'm gonna have to save this. I'm still working on my other one, but I feel like this fits so well for fall. Anyway, the next set are these little A6 booklets, and they're in this little like library set here. One with the chess piece theme and then one with the floral. Let me try and get these out. Okay, wow, that was really hard to get out of this box here, but these are two little notebooks, and they're called the XL Pocket Library Volume 2. Back for Volume 2, the XL Pocket Library is not one, but two extra thick pocket-sized notebooks in a box set. So these are pocket-sized. So you get this burgundy color one, and inside this one is gray dot grid. I don't know if the color looks still kind of white on here, but it's actually a really nice light gray. Very easy on the eyes. You can tell here, it's gray. This is very cute. This is nice for on the go, like quick journaling. There's also the ribbon notebooks. Ribbon bookmark as well. Oh, wow. That's very elegant. Okay, so that's one of them. And then I love this teal color with this chess piece here. And this one also has the bookmark, is dot grid craft paper. Ooh, this is nice. I love craft paper. Oh my God, this is really nice. This will be a really fun little mini junk journal. It's already pretty thick too. I think it says how many pages are in each of these. No, it doesn't say, but it's a pretty sizable notebook. It's pretty thick. And there's a pocket back here too. So that's this one. Let's see, I think the other one probably has a pocket as well. Yeah, it's pretty thick for one book. And let's see, this one is the gray paper. And yeah, there's a pocket back here too, and a pen loop. And this one had a pen loop too. I must have missed that. So yeah, these are really cute together. This is really nice to like take on the go. The craft paper one is a little bit lighter than this one. So that's the two little journal books. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I love everything inside this box. I feel like Arch & Olive is just an amazing brand, and the design is just top notch. So if you want to subscribe, I'll put the link down below. I think the subscription is open now for new subscribers. I'm not an affiliate or anything, so I'm just a stationery lover. So you can check it out if you want to. And I think you're able to skip quarterly subs when they do alert you to let you know if you want to keep your subscription or not. So that's a good news there too. If you feel like you don't want to subscribe and pay for it each quarter, you're able to opt out for that quarter. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.